Oh my gosh, y'all, this hair is so beautiful. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja. If you've never been here before, today I'm going to be installing this beautiful water wig from Junoda hair company. This wig is basically kind of like a closure wig. However, it has 4 inches across from like front to back and then 6 inches from left to right, so you have a good bit of a canvas to make this wig work. It is pre-plucked, it is pre-cut, so definitely one of those wigs that you're ready to pop out of the box style and then you're on your way to go. First things first, when I usually install glueless wigs, I definitely like to kind of like install them as if I was using glue. If you follow my channel for a while, you know that I am a glue girl. It doesn't bother my edges, it doesn't bother my skin. So I usually use glue, but on today, we're going to be making this a glueless wig install. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I pretty much do that. So I decided to start my process off by parting my hair down the middle because I thought that I wanted to wear this hair in the middle part. But the good thing is, with the 6 inches across, you can kind of use this hair to kind of like be a flip over or a middle part. You're not confined to just one type of look. You can do the flip over look or whatnot, and that's one thing that I really did love about this wig. So one thing that I want to emphasize, y'all, this wig is breathable. It's breathable, and this wig is considered like an air wig. It allows your hair to breathe while still wearing a wig. As you guys seen in the previous clips, this wig is super duper stretchy, and if you need to scratch or oil your scalp or whatever you need to do, you have the ability to do that because the wig is breathable. And I just love that. I was kind of nervous at first because I was like, oh my gosh, you know, how is this going to look? It wasn't fitting right or whatnot, but it definitely wasn't anything that had to do with the wig. It was definitely me. And once I kind of like, you know, made my braid down flat and everything like that, I was like, okay, this is perfect. So when I install my wigs, I like to pretty much kind of like use hairspray to kind of like mold my hair and shape my hair, but I don't use it as like a holding agent to hold down my hair. So I go in with the makeup color that I have, make sure it matches my complexion, make sure everything is good, because like I said, this is going to be a glueless wig, so you want it to look as seamless as possible and to melt as great as possible because you're not doing a full complete glue install, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my baby hairs. Like I said, this wig has a beautiful canvas at 6 inches across, which is like eyebrow to eyebrow for my face. And yeah, just allowed me to create beautiful baby hairs that you guys are going to see in the following clips. So one thing that I wanted to emphasize is, if you are going to be wearing this wig as like your sole wig throughout the week or however long you plan to wear it, you definitely don't have to have a ball cap on. You can just put your cap on, or if you do want to mold your ball cap down like me, who tend to wear a couple of different wigs, I did that. You don't have to do full ear to ear. You can do just a 6 inch space across from eyebrow to eyebrow. But for me, that's why you guys see a little bit of my cap, because this wasn't the only wig that I was wearing this day. I take my time, I do my baby hairs, make them look nice and perfect. Like I said, this wig was super duper duper easy to install. It might have took me like maybe 20-25 minutes. Definitely would have took me a lot less time if I wasn't filming or this was my first time styling this wig. You would definitely be able to pop this wig on and off and just go. However, I wasn't disappointed with the time. I'm getting ready to be a mom of 2. As you guys can see, I'm already pregnant. But I just needed something that was kind of going to be a lot more time managing for me. So I want to thank Junoda Hair Company for sending over this wig to me. And I just want to reiterate, like, this wig is breathable, y'all. Like, it's breathable. You can take it on and off. It's glueless. It's pre-plucked. It's pre-cut. Like, it gets no better than that. And I'm pretty much showing you guys the beautiful curls and different ways that you can wear this wig. I chose to wear this wig to the side, kind of like a flip over part. And I completely love it. Put some face filming, layers inside of the wig. Make it your own. And, create that volume look. Rake your comb through the curls. And it just looks so beautiful. So this is pretty much the finished look, you guys. Like I say, thank you for watching. This is perfect for moms, college students, back to school, whatever you have going on in your life where you just need something really cute, really fast. This wig is for you. I will see you guys in my next video, and I want to say thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Love you guys. Have a great one. Peace.